You happy Sunday, blessed day. This is Christine, don't mind me. So you guys, this is a Sunday. I would love you to do something. I would love you to make money. We're going to make money in a simple way. I know you might not be having time to go and research, do transcript. Let's make money out of people's contents. Let's make money. Okay, let me phrase it. Let's make money out of people's. We're going to make money out of people's comments. I know you're going to ask Christine again, you've come. How can we make money out of people's contents, especially comments? We're going to make money. Go in the comments of people's videos. This measure is for content creators. The content creators who think today you don't have a topic, or if you know you want to be a content creator and you don't have a topic, it's today that you want to start, or tomorrow. It's a Sunday, by the way. Today, I know there are a lot of things that are happening, and most people have funny comments. Pick a comment and do a video. You can make money today out of people's comments on this Sunday in different ways. I've seen people do them. I've also made money out of people's comments, but not on Sunday. So how will you make money out of this? How much do you think you can make? Let me see. You can make around, let's say like $25. Okay, let's say $10 to $25 out of people's comments. That is for content creators. How do you do it? There are different ways. This video is going to be short, beautiful and precise, and not edited. Seriously, I'm not going to put any filter. I'm not going to put any I'm not going to add any visual. It is going to remain like this. So you can make money. I've made it by getting a comment and I make it question and answer. So what I do, I get a question, like a comment. Someone asked me about something to do with the social media, or something to do with life, or something to do with making money. I use that real comment and I make a video. When I make a video, of course, I give it a nice title, and it ends up bringing for me some dollars. You people, I always tell you, there is no dollar that is small. By the way, YouTube, Facebook does not pay us in shillings, in dirhams. It pays us in dollars. Now imagine, someone's comment is giving me $2 or $3 on a daily basis. Do you know what? Do you know what it takes to look for an idea to make a video? It takes a whole day and transcripting. Now someone comes on your video and gives you an idea. Why not? So make money out of people's comments by doing question and answer. 2, you can make a video by just reacting on it. I've seen one of my brothers who is doing that. What he does, he goes and brings people's, but for him he deals with savage rough comments. He brings those rough comments, he puts them there, he reacts on them, or he just laughs and show people, and people are getting use of it, and he gets views. So what about you? Today is a Sunday. Go nail it. Look for people's comments. You know, there are people now, people are doing nothing. They are just seated scrolling, writing, putting comments. You can get that chance. Don't tell him that you don't have an idea for today. The third way, go answer questions. Do you know, especially content creators, even not on your videos, even on other people's videos, there are questions that people have asked and people have not answered them. Trust me, people have not answered them. Either they don't have time or they don't have knowledge about it. Like, go to my videos. There are these people who have been putting some comments. Me, I don't know. Even if I tell them I don't know, and they really see that I don't know about why they're asking me, but they still come back. So if you know, go and pick that comment and make a video, react on it, give a solution. Please go and make money today. No excuse. No saying that you don't have an idea for a video. No, Now I've given you an idea for video. Just comment, use people's comments. See you in another video. Blessed Sunday.